Next question. Punjab Bank has entered into plain vanilla swap. I already have explained to you plain vanilla swap stands for that there are no other terms and conditions. That is what's the plain vanilla swap. Through overnight index swap OIS on a principal of rupees 2 crore and agreed to receive MIBOR, Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate. So it is going to receive the floating rate, overnight floating rate for a fixed rate payment, and I will pay fixed to you on the principal that is 2 crore. The swap was entered on Monday 24th of July 2021 and was to commence on 25th of July 2021 and run for a period of 7 days. So from 25th it will start and it will run for 7 days. Respective Mumbai Interbank Offer rates for Tuesday to Monday were as under. So this is the rate for Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Friday. Then you can see that only two rate of interest have been given. So we understand logically that this is for Saturday and Sunday, and this is for Monday. This is the way the rate of interest is given. If the Punjab Bank received rupees 507 net on the settlement, calculate the fixed rate and interest under both legs. So you have to compute the floating rate of interest and you have to compute the fixed rate of interest. Amount of interest is required to be found, and the rate of interest for the floating rate is rate of interest for the fixed rate is required to be found. Note Sunday is holiday, so Saturday and Sunday same rate. Work out in rounded of rupees and avoid decimal working, so no decimal. Consider a year consisting of 365 days. So friends, over here logically we understand that taking into account this floating rate of interest, you are required to make the computation of the interest for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, for Saturday, Sunday, and even for Monday. You will make the calculation of the interest for these days, and then we understand that we will adjust the difference which is provided to us in the example. Of course, we understand that whatever the interest amount that we will compute will be of the floating. To that 507 is adjusted, so we will get the interest at the fixed. And the interest at the fixed rate when we compute, after that we will make the calculation of the fixed rate of interest. This is the procedure that we are required to adopt. So let us see how to make the calculation of the interest under the floating rate. So the written answer, first point, in this question, comma, we have to find amount of interest at fixed rate and fixed rate of interest. These two things are required to be calculated. Second point, we understand that rate of interest for Saturday and Sunday would be same. Full stop. Working note number 1, calculation of interest at the rate floating rate of interest. So day and interest. it starts from Tuesday. So it is 2 crore into, for the Tuesday rate of interest is given as 8.7 percentage, and this is 2 crore. So 2 crore into 8.7% into 1 divided by 365. So this is the interest for Tuesday. So 4767. We are ignoring the decimal. Then Wednesday, it will be 2 crore plus 4767. Dear students, it will be on the daily compounded basis as far as the floating rate of interest is concerned. The rate of interest is 9.1 percentage. Into 1 divided by 365. This is for Wednesday. 2 crore plus 4767 into 9.1% divided by 365. So 4987. That is for the next day. Then for Thursday it is 2 crore plus 4767 plus 4967. That is 9734 into rate of interest is 9.12%. That is of Thursday into 1 divided by 365. So over here 2 crore plus 9734 into 9.12% into 1 divided by 365. So 4999.69. So let me make it 5000. Wednesday 2 crore plus 9734 plus 5000. So 14734. Oh, sorry. Into rate of interest is 8.95. Into 1 divided by 365. $8.95 divided by 365. So 4908. Saturday and Sunday together 4908 plus 14734. So 19,642. Into rate of interest 8.98 percentage. And importantly for 2 days. So 19,642 plus 2 crore into 8.98 percentage into 2 divided by 365. So 9851. And lastly it is Monday. So 19,642 plus 9851. 29493. For Monday, the rate of interest is 9.1 percentage. into 1 divided by 365. So 4994. Sorry, the Wednesday interest is wrong. It is 4987. Sorry.
Sir, 2020.
Then 4767 plus 4987. So 9754 plus 2 crore into 9.12% divided by 365. So it is 5000. 4999.69. So again over here we will add 9754 plus 5000. So 14754. 8.95% divided by 365. So 4908. So 14754 plus 4908. 19662 plus 2 crore into 8.98 percentage into 2 divided by 365. 9851. So this is 513. Since the amount is high, so it does not have any impact on the total interest. That this 20 rupees does not have too much significance. So 4994, yes. So the total interest at the rate floating rate. Four seven six seven plus 4987 plus 5000 plus 4908 plus 9851 4994. So 34,507. So now the next is the fixed rate of interest amount and then rate of interest.